Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this week. They will be up Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I do have 3 kits this week. 1 reformat of an exclusive mystery from last year, and 2 newer art releases that I made a kit using, as well as a foil bundle, which is the extras from, I believe, February. Is it February Mystery? Yes, February Mystery, and then a new binder labels, and then also some new like doodle icons that I am really excited to show you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'll show you all of the non-kit items first. So the first thing here is the next installation of the kit labels. So I can show you guys here. I keep all of my kits that I plan on using in a binder. You can use a binder, an album, however you want to do it. If you want to stick them right on the kit, that's cool as well. So I just have all of my kits labeled February monthly, and then the next week all the way through. And then whenever I am done, like with the sleeve, I can just peel it off. You can use undo if you want, but usually they just peel off easily. And then I just put the next sticker on. So that's what these are. And I've been doing them. I think this is like my 2nd or 3rd year, I feel like, doing them now. So this is the October through February. So this will be for 2022, and this is 2021. So that is the next installation of those. And then we do, like I said, have a foil bundle this week. And like I said, I think this is leftovers from February Mystery. This is a Celestial Sparkly Hollow foil bundle. So you do have the 2 sheets here that have the 6 full boxes, and then you have the headers on the side, 2 of those sheets, 2 of the bougie sheets in the Sparkly Hollow, this sheet here that has the icons and the scripts, and then the bottom has the bottom washies, the fancy headers, the deco, and then the date numbers. So that is the bundle for this week. This has a pretty limited amount because it is leftovers from the mystery subscription, but this is such a pretty foil bundle, and it is a really great deal versus buying them all individually if you want to get some Sparkly Hollow Celestial. So next I do have some doodles or icons, whatever you want to call them, in a really gorgeous pastel colorway. I went with pastels versus brights because I feel like even in darker, more sultry sets, you can find a color that will look really pretty. Like you could pull in these pinkier colors or the gray, or kind of lean into the purples and, you know, kind of find a color that matches. So I went with this colorway, and I think it's super pretty, super usable. Also, the sizing of these is perfect for a fancy label or larger. And I did some magical items, some non-magical items, but I think the first 30 are magical. But as long as you guys like these, I will continue to release them. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys the first 10 today, and then if you guys like them, I'll continue to bring them out. So this is the magical donut. I'm not just going to use these for like magical things like going to Disney or something like that, but I'm just going to use them on the regular because, like, why not? And also I don't have very many donut stickers, so this was number 1 for me. Then there's also a pumpkin. I was actually playing around and doing these 2 sheets in particular back prior to like Halloween, so that's why this was a pumpkin. It was already done, so I was like, why not? And then there's also a cloud planner with a little Mickey head clasp, super cute. And then also a Mickey head firework, a coffee cup with little Mickey on there as well, rainbow Mickeys, and then also a really cute pizza. This one's just in a regular colorway. And then there is also a pancakes in a regular colorway. Again, I don't have many pancake stickers. I think I have 1. And then also a colorful pancake because I thought those were really cute. And then also ice cream. So again, these are all magical, but in the future, I'm definitely open up to suggestions of anything that you want to see. But I do have a lot of cool releases coming. And yeah, I think I'm going to do 10 a week and see how you guys like that. But that is everything on the like doodle icon front. So let's go into the kits for this week. Let me go ahead and show you guys the reformat. So this is Planner Birthday. You might recognize this as last year's January Mystery. Y'all, I did my nails, and I did them, I didn't even think I did them sparkly purple, which works because all of the kits this week are purple, which is like a mood. Like, look at all the purples, so pretty. But what was I even saying? I don't remember. Something about purple. Oh, I already broke my nail, and I just did them a second ago. So anyways, this is Planner Birthday. This was last year's January mystery, and I was like, wouldn't this look cool purple? Because I feel like everyone loves purple. Well, I feel like purple is really trendy right now, whereas pink was really trendy last year. So I was like, let's play around with it, and I think it turned out fantastic. So beautiful. I've been doing a lot of reformats recently. Probably in the last week I did like 5 or 6. I need to send them over to Kirsten actually when when I'm done filming this video. But I've been loving doing reformats. I start off like, I'm just going to put the boxes back where they were, like keep them the same. But then I'm like, nah, let's just redo them. So every single reformat that I've done, I think I've redone like the boxes. Also, Gamer's coming back, His Day's coming back, Darla's coming back, Up's coming back, Tiana's coming back. What was the other one I did the other day? I don't know. There's a lot coming back. Oh, Corella is coming back. Those are just to name a few. Those ones are completely done already, but I have like windows open of more that I want to do. So I'm really excited about that. Let me know any reformats you guys want down below. Thumbs up your favorite, because I am looking through all the comments and just doing as many as possible, and it is actually kind of fun. I'm enjoying it. So this is, like I said, a reformat of last year, which was pink, but I think the purple just gives it a new life, and it is like really fresh and fun looking, especially with all of the white. I think this with champagne lights would be gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. But you could also do a mixed metal moment. You could pull in a purple foil. It's just a vibe. I love it so much. And then you do have like a little puppy here, which is super cute. I thought it like pulled in the gold color. And then also this really cute little like washi balloon, super adorable. So you have the purples and then this like goldish color. Then you have the deco, the glitter headers. You do have the faux gold glitter throughout, which I think pulls it in really nicely. Love these purples. Oh, so pretty. And I'm like, I kind of want to use this for my birthday. I have like 16 kits that I'm like, I kind of want to use this for my birthday. Has the clear with black script freebie. I actually have some new freebies coming out that I'm really excited about per kit. And then the cheetah bottom washi, which is so pretty with the gold throughout. So that is Planner Birthday, and it's just so beautiful. Then let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. So cute. Also, I have been getting a lot of questions about Cyber Monday mystery, and that I'm going to bring it to the shop next week. We don't have a lot of the clutches left. I'm going to tell you guys that right now. I think we have less than 15 left. I had to reship a few that were lost. This is the mini kit format. I just love this like cheetah pattern. But we will have a lot of kits in foil, but the clutches, we do not, like I said, have a lot of them left. So that is that. But those will be coming next week for you guys. So if you've been waiting for that, I know a lot of you have, but I just wanted to make sure that everyone got theirs. And I know a lot of the international stuff has been so slow, but I think almost everyone has either gotten theirs or I have reshipped, and I'm still going to hold back a couple just in case, you know, something happens to those. So the add-on options here are the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then also the fashion option as well. So that is the first kit, and again, that is Planner Birthday, which is a reformat from last January. And then let's go through Dream. So Dream is art by Kittenish Girl Jess, and this is the mini kit, so it does also come in a mini kit. Let's go ahead and go through this. This gives me all the Tangled vibes, which I love it, but also is just really a pretty springy, summery artist kit, which I think is so cute. Oh, it's just so beautiful. It reminds me of Jessica with like the blonde girl with all the like paints and stuff, and I just think so nice with the lavender. And then you have the like daisy. I don't think this is the daisy, but it's like the off daisy one. And then you have the mask in there, which is super cute, and the backpack. And I changed the little picture to like a little lantern, which was so fun. All the paints. I just love the girl's hair. So cute. So this is Dreamer again. Love the colors in this. Got another purple moment. Just a really pretty simple full box. That'd be really nice with a full box like quote overlay. And then also just kind of like a fashion flat lay with the hand, I think is really pretty. Again, these colors are just really like nice and soft. Just kind of like can smell the lavender coming out of this. You have the glitter headers, the half boxes, the solid pattern labels, and then the bottom washi is so fun. The freebie with this one is a little doodle sheet, and it has some different painting stickers on it. Totally could use these with the kit, or, you know, save them for later. So that is the Dreamer kit. The mini kit also does come with the same freebie, of course, but I wanted to switch it up. I've been having fun kind of changing things up and adding different things in. So that is the freebie for that kit. I think that was kind of fun. So that is the Dreamer Ultimate kit. And then I do also have Galaxy, which is by Villa Art Studio, I believe it is. And this is just a fun, like, outer space, galaxy, astronaut, space girl kind of kit. I think it's super cute. I love the little robot guy. That was definitely unexpected and kind of cute. So this has a lot of marble in it, gold sparkles. You have, like, the marble has, like, a color. Let me see if you guys can see it close up. I added like a color gradient on it so you can see like the different colors in the marble. And then you have little tiny gold stars throughout. I think it looks super cute. I love these like Doc Martens and the planner, the little controller, the lava lamp, super cute. And then you have like the girl in the little astronaut suit. The full box over here is this girl. I just thought a tall box was needed for this because her outfit was super cute and comfy. Again, love the colors. You have a faux sparkle throughout of like a purpley, greeny, and then a little bit of gold in there as well. You can kind of see there. Then you have the deco page, super, super cute. The glitter headers, the half boxes, icons, layering items, solid pattern, and then the bottom washi is really pretty as well. And then the freebie for both the mini and the ultimate is an alternate skin tone options here as well. So that is the freebie for both the ultimate and the mini kit. So let me go ahead and show you guys the... Wait, did I even show you? No, I didn't even show you guys the add-on options for Dream. You're probably like, Andrea, what are you doing? Let me show you, yeah, let's keep going with Galaxy, and then I'll show you the Dream ones. So you have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You have the label sampler if you want to add it on, and then also the fashion option, which I love the car in the background. I think that's so cool, but I also love the purple hair in this one. So again, it also does come in a mini kit, and that is called Galaxy. And then to rewind, we have the extras for Dream. So there is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on, the label sampler, and also the fashion option. So dang cute. This was just such a good like spring, summer, but also anytime kit. So really excited about that. I hope you guys like this week's new releases. Again, next week I will be bringing the Cyber Monday mystery extras to the shop if you have been waiting for those. Mystery will be shipping this week, as well as orders from last week. If you had an order from the last week and got a shipping notification over the weekend, we are dropping those if you're watching this today, Monday, and those will be on their way to you. And then those other orders are going to go out right after we ship mystery, which I'm thinking should have mystery dropped on Wednesday, if not Thursday, but the reveal will go up Wednesday, I think. So it's sitting in front of me right now, guys. Oh, so pretty. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. It's a theme that I don't think I've done a kit like custom, non-custom. It's different, but everyone I've showed it to loves it. So I'm really excited about that. So that's everything for this week. Again, we have the 3 collections. We have the leftovers of the February Mystery Foil Bundle. We have the next installment of the binder labels, and then also the 10 new doodles. So that's everything. I hope that you guys like it. Let me know, again, kits that you want to see reformatted down below. Thumbs up your favorite, and also any doodles that you guys want to see, because those have been really fun. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.